Welcome to the amazing journey of turmeric, where earthy golden yellow turmeric roots begin their transformation into valuable products used around the world.
Let's check if these are ready.
The leaves look good.
See, the roots are golden.
They are mature enough.
Careful with the roots. Into the baskets. Looks like a good batch. Yes, the color is vibrant. Check for any mold. All clear, ready for cleaning. The turmeric roots are boiling to improve color and flavor. This also makes grinding easier later.
Modern drying machines slowly remove moisture from the earthy golden yellow turmeric roots, preparing them for powder production.
Let's check the color and consistency.
It looks uniform, no impurities.
Good. Let's verify under the microscope.
Texture is perfect, no contaminants.
Excellent. It passes inspection.
The packaged turmeric powder is labeled, inspected, and prepared for shipment to customers around the world. Automated systems ensure accuracy, while workers perform final quality checks. Ready for global distribution.
Raw material loading initiated. Flow rate is optimal. Monitoring parameters. Proceeding to extraction phase.
Advanced extraction technology separates valuable curcumin compounds from turmeric using carefully controlled processing methods. The extracted curcumin is purified through multiple filtration stages to achieve exceptional quality. The purified curcumin is carefully dried to create a concentrated extract ready for health and pharmaceutical products. The finished curcumin extract is packed into sealed containers. A quality inspection station ensures product integrity. The containers are then stored in the warehouse. Next, the process begins for turmeric essential oil. The finished curcumin extract is packed into sealed containers. A quality inspection station ensures product integrity. The containers are then stored in the warehouse. Next, the process begins for turmeric essential oil. The production now moves to turmeric essential oil, where cleaned, earthy, golden yellow turmeric material is prepared for steam distillation to extract its aromatic compounds.
The oil is separating nicely. Yes, the purity looks excellent. The color is consistent, very potent. Perfect. Let's proceed.
The turmeric essential oil is filtered to remove tiny impurities before packaging. High-quality curcumin extract and turmeric powder are blended into a uniform mixture for capsule production. The mixture is maintained in its golden yellow state before being filled into turmeric capsules. The blended turmeric mixture enters automatic capsule filling equipment for precise dosing. Every turmeric capsule is inspected for proper weight, sealing, and quality before packaging. Turmeric capsules are precisely dispensed into bottles by automated filling equipment. Next, bottles are labeled with details by outer-to-speed machine. Finally, bottles are packed into cartons, ready for distribution. The production line now shifts to herbal soap, where turmeric extract is blended with natural soap ingredients to begin manufacturing. Workers monitor the mixture consistency as production continues. The molded herbal soap cools under controlled conditions until it becomes firm enough for cutting. Industrial cutting machines divide the hardened turmeric herbal soap into perfectly sized bars. Turmeric extract is blended with moisturizing ingredients to create a smooth cosmetic face cream.
The cream is passing through the homogenizer now.
Look at that silky texture, perfect for our premium face cream.
The filled jars are sealed and labeled. Workers inspect the sealed jars. The jars are packed into retail cartons, ready for shipment. The factory now begins producing golden milk powder by blending premium turmeric powder with carefully measured ingredients.
The texture looks good, very consistent.
Yes, and the color is uniform.
Let's check the moisture.
It's at 4.32%.
Good, this batch is approved. Premium turmeric is processed further to create a natural food coloring used in foods and beverages around the world. Extraction is running smoothly.
The natural turmeric food coloring passes through advanced filtration systems to achieve exceptional purity and clarity. The finished natural food coloring is automatically filled into bottles and industrial containers for commercial use.
Every turmeric product undergoes a final inspection,
To ensure it meets strict factory quality standards.
starting with the turmeric powder and extract,
And the essential oil and capsules.
ready for shipment.
Finished turmeric products are organized inside a modern warehouse, ready for distribution to domestic and international markets. From our factory, finished turmeric products begin their global journey. Cargo trucks and ships deliver to supermarkets, pharmacies, and stores worldwide. Turmeric excellence ensures quality and purity reach every corner of the globe. From fresh turmeric roots to premium finished products, every step of the production process demonstrates how modern technology transforms this remarkable crop into products used in kitchens, healthcare, cosmetics, and food industries worldwide. The entire automated production line works continuously with advanced machinery, skilled workers, and strict quality control to produce safe and high-quality turmeric products every day. This incredible journey shows how fresh, earthy, golden yellow turmeric is transformed into valuable products through advanced processing, precision engineering, and careful quality control.
Thank you for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the journey of the golden yellow turmeric from farm to factory and discovering how it becomes from essential oil, turmeric capsules, oak cream milk powder, and natural food coloring.